As Cal Poly students in biology of sex, we were wondering if watching pornography would improve one's individual athletic performance. So, where's the real science behind this? Well, learning something new creates new neural pathways in the brain, and the more you practice it, the more that you strengthen those pathways. When the pathways are strong, they make things easier and faster to do. Likewise, dopamine is the happy hormone, and every time that it is triggered, it also helps to strengthen your neural pathways. Therefore, when dopamine is released while watching pornography, especially with those who watch it often and for long periods of time, your neural pathways are strengthened and makes things easier and faster to do. Our hypothesis for the study is that watching pornography will increase one's athletic performance because the dopamine released in one's brain while watching pornography will strengthen the neural pathways that help one to athletically perform better. In contrast, our null hypothesis for the study is watching pornography will not increase one's athletic performance because the dopamine released in one's brain while watching pornography will not strengthen neural pathways. We predict that there will be a slightly positive correlation between those who were told to watch the pornography and those with increased athletic performance. So we decided to create an experimental study that would include 100 Cal Poly students evenly split with 50 males and 50 females. To begin the study, all participants would be asked to run a mile on an indoor track at the same time while we record their times. After the mile, half of the male participants and half of the female participants would be asked to watch 1 hour of porn that we provide every day for 1 week. After the week, participants will run a mile again, all at the same time on the same indoor track, and their times will be recorded once again. Then, the times of the first mile will be compared to their second mile, and we will compare the relative differences in times of people who did watch the pornography and those who did not. Now, there are a lot of confounding variables that could possibly impact the results of the study, but for now, we're just going to focus on controlling age, general athletic ability, and environmental factors. In order to control age from having an impact on our study, we are making sure to test students that range from 18 to 22 years old, since these people tend to have similar characteristics. To control general athletic ability, the results will be compared only to the previous mile time of the same person, and people are not going to be compared against each other. To control environmental factors, all of the students are running on the same indoor track at the same time, therefore weather or time will not matter. While we cannot conclude anything since we didn't actually carry out the study, there is a possibility that watching pornography may impact one's athletic performance. Of course, we have to be aware that there are confounding variables that may also impact the outcome. So, are you struggling with your mile time? We may have something to help. Voice by Chloe. Video by Angelique. Drawings by Mia.